Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting identifiers, brand, model, UPC/EAN, and any numbers on the label. Once done, photograph the label and type those exact characters into a search field. This reduces guesswork. Make sure to include punctuation and hyphens because manufacturers often format MPNs with them. If the device is inside packaging, open carefully to avoid damage. These concrete details let you move from vague descriptions to precise queries. So start searching now. Now search methodically. Enter the exact string on the manufacturer website, then cross-check on major retailers and parts databases. Once you find candidates, compare physical specs, dimensions, connectors, and printed labels because similar models can have different MPNs. Use image search to confirm visual matches. This helps spot rebranded parts. If multiple results appear, prioritize OEM listings or PDFs of product sheets. Taking time here prevents ordering the wrong component, so be thorough. Finish by confirming the MPN against a manufacturer datasheet or the original packaging. This is the authoritative source. If anything remains unclear, contact manufacturer support, send your photos, and ask them to confirm the part. They can reveal suffixes or revisions that change compatibility. If you still get mismatches, check for alternate part numbers or superseded MPNs. Suppliers list replacements. One key troubleshooting tip. If searches return only generic parts, verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.